Hello guys, good day. I'm bringing this particular stock. I think this is the first time I'm posting anything concerning stock on my chat. Now, I'm only doing this because I have seen a huge opportunity on this particular stock. Now, I'll be listing a lot of stocks, a lot of cryptos, and other things I'll be listing out for you to look out and possibly invest in them. But for now, I bring this particular pair, which is the PayPal holdings you get. So it's basically the PayPal stock. Now, the reason I'm bringing this particular stock is this. Now, the price is actually pretty low. You can be able to purchase it at this price. And then, for instance, when the price actually gets to this point, which is the previous high it tested before, which was about $309, you would actually be up a significant amount of profit. So now I want to just go down, analyze the particular pair, and then so you guys can see what we have on this. So now this is the monthly time frame. We are currently on the monthly time frame on PayPal stock, and PayPal stock is currently selling at price $78.30. Now this is the low where we had price. Actually, this is the low we can see on this particular chart. This is where the chart started. So this is the low. It started from I think this was July 2015. So that's the point we are able to see on this particular chart, which is July 2015, which is fair enough. It's cool. Then one thing we can see again from this July down to around around July 2021, the market has been on a rally to the upside. The price of PayPal stock has been really pushing to the upside. But now we had PayPal stock drop from July 2021 up until this lowest point, which was October 2023. So from October 2023, PayPal stock began to have a kind of it began to have strength, which helped it to begin to push to the upside. So now, why am I bringing this investment to you guys? I'm bringing this investment to you guys. If you are looking to hold an investment, you're looking to invest into something that would profit you in the long run, this is a it's an important pair to look out. You understand? It's an important pair to look out because you can see this is the low. We can currently see this is the low, and then this was the previous point market got to. So now the stock, from what we can see on chart, is beginning to gain strength and momentum to go to the upside. So what we can basically do, we can mark our zone. This is the weekly time frame, and on this weekly time frame, one thing we can do is we can simply see or take a look at the structure. So now, up until when market drops to this downside, we can see that it broke this low, which helped us to understand that the trend has really changed. And then it also broke this low. So these are two significant levels we can find on this chart. These two levels are significant levels we can find on this chart here. So those are the two levels it broke, and then it got down, tapping into this area. Now the only reason I marked this area is because this is the current support we can see on the market chart. So in order to bring it up, this is the current low we can see, which is this. Now this is the point here. Now, aside this, we now can bring down the chart to this particular area. Now we can see a break of structure to the upside here. So based on this break of structure to the upside, if we should pull out our Fibonacci Our Fibonacci is going to go from here to this point here. And then we can use that to see what currently is happening on the market. So this is a break of structure here. This is also a pullback, a little pullback. And we had a pullback again, a break of structure again at this point. This was the second break of structure. And then we can see markets pulled back significantly to the 0.618 level, which was retested previously, and retested it again, and then market has pushed up. So now this is actually a bullish character. So this bullish character, we hope it holds, and we just would watch and see how the market behaves from there. So now, if you're investing in this particular stock, I would always advise, don't come into the stock purchasing, let's say, $10 worth of this stock. You can see we have USD here. So don't come into this stock purchasing $10 worth of this stock, or purchasing let's say $30 and all of that. Purchase the stock at the current price. That's the safest way to purchase the stock. You can purchase more, which is you can purchase 2 shares, 3 units of it, 4, 5 and more. But then the minimum you can invest in this particular stock I would advise is $78.6165, or you can even make it a round figure, $80. You invest it here and then hold it. Now you're holding it for a long period of time. It could be 2 years, it could be 1 year, it could be 5 years. All we are doing is just to purchase the stock and hold it for a really long period of time in anticipation and hopes that markets will get up to this price at the top. That way, if we really want to look at let's say risk to reward, your stop loss would basically be, okay, our entry would basically be here. Then we could look at our take profit at this point. Now, with how I analyze this particular high investing stock, our stop loss is basically the lowest value, which is the lowest value 0.0000. Understand? So that's what we have. So that's why we put it as our stop loss, and then this is it. So this is what we are actually looking at on this stock, which is paper. So that's it, guys. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Okay, one thing again I would add to it before we go is let's check if, for instance, we want to, let's see if we can check for Naira NGN. Yeah, so this is the value of Naira. Let's see what it shows us. It simply tells us if you are investing Naira, you're going to be investing Naira at the value of 130,000 Naira. So that's what you'll be using to get this particular stock. If you're making use of Bamboo app and the rest, you'll be investing the value of 130,000 Naira plus. So that's it, guys. Okay, so I actually want to do something. I want to pin this so we can always get back to it. So you can see now I can easily switch. So that's it, guys. Have a wonderful weekend, and please do subscribe. Thank you all.